Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Home2 Suites by Hilton Rochester Henrietta, NY. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Featuring fitness and laundry facilities, this hotel is a 13-minute drive from downtown Rochester, New York. Free Wi-Fi access is available. A flat-screen cable TV and air conditioning are included in each room at Home2 Suites by Hilton Rochester Henrietta, NY. Complete with a microwave, the dining area also has a refrigerator and a coffee machine. Private bathrooms come with a hairdryer and free toiletries. Guests at the hotel can enjoy the Spin2 Cycle combination fitness and laundry center. The hotel has a 24-hour front desk and a snack bar. Meeting facilities are also available. A complimentary breakfast featuring hot and cold options is served on site. Dining options including Outback Steakhouse are within a 2-minute drive of the Rochester Home2 Suites by Hilton. Main Street Armory Entertainment Venue is a 14-minute drive from the property. Seabreeze Amusement Park is 14 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.